Welcome to the Mondays Outdoors. This is just a video of me and my cousin out on our lease messing around one day. Decided to have a little competition out there, see who can catch the most weight, and well, I ended up winning. It was a pretty good day. I literally don't think I put down the jig, and that's all I caught them on, and ended up catching a couple good ones. So enjoy. Minimum pound?
Yep, minimum pound.
So you had a fish today, dude.
If you had a wacky worm on, boy,
Hold on.
get him.
Didn't fully commit. Gave it a no, there he is.
Get him. Oh, that's a big one. You need the net?
Nope.
Oh, you need the net. You don't need that? Good shit.
I don't know. For sure.
He's more than that. You give a pound and a half.
Actually, he might be just under, actually.
Oh.
This is the point where
What do you do with these? Which button?
Huh?
What button?
This is the point where I need that spotlight trolling motor.
Yep.
That's a big one.
Unless he's got one stuck in his mouth, because he ain't coming for this. Yeah, he didn't.
Dude. There might be another one up there. It's a 2-pounder.
Oh yeah, that's a 3. She's fat. I bet she's got eggs in her.
She's up there chasing bluegill or something up there, dude.
I bet they're on. I bet there's a nest, bluegill nest up there. Yeah, she didn't want any part of this.
Is our water still coming in or no?
No.
She might not have saw it though.
I threw it right over.
Yeah, but at that time I swear she was still chasing. I just let this kind of get up by her and start twitching it.
You gotta be at least 3.
2, 3. Right.
Another good one. Yeah, I'd say they're pretty. Oh, I'd say they're.
You got one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's another 2-pounder.
Fuck yeah, it is. Whoa, what did she just spit up?
Hold it underneath that tree. I'd be probably through it.
Yeah, she's a pound.
They probably are.
Big one? Fuck yeah. Oh, right off the bottom. That's in the deep right now.
It's locked up.
Could. Oh, big one.
Nope.
No.
I won't even go down.
I know you got crawls. I may put a bigger head and crawdad on and just fish it that way on the whacking worm pole instead of this.
I got plenty of poles. You can just rig one up.
They really are loving that jig though, you know what I'm saying? Well, there, you're gonna have to get a new crawl.
Huh? Oh, you took my...
Yeah, he took your pincher off there.
Maybe you don't look one pincher.
There's grass down there. Are they, can you feel them hit it or are you just watching?
Oh, I'm literally tightening the line and I'm just feeling how tight it's getting, and it's bumping a little bit. I'm not seeing my line run, nothing, I'm not feeling it. Ooh, I about dropped it. That's a pound.
Those are good. See, they're fat. I wonder if those don't have eggs in them.
No, they're starting to eat. But you need to just go off that point.
I just had a pump around for the bluegill on it. Let's see, about 110. 4 fish? 4 fish at how much? Oh my god, bro!
He was coming up.
You about fucking ripped that. Damn, he swallowed it. Yeah, he got that good. I don't think he's going to pound. At this point.
Gotta see if he goes a pound.
He's fat.
Is he?
Yeah, he's fat.
He's gonna be on the board, ladies and gentlemen. He's coming up short.
Fucking shit everywhere.
Oh, he's losing weight?
Yeah.
That's what I go for.
I'm getting robbed right here. Too.
Yep.
Boom, I got me. I'm on the board, baby.
On the board. Score tracker update. Jack Riddle's not a pound.
Finally, use this live well over here.
That's a big one.
Damn.
That's a big one.
That motherfucker didn't even.
Get the net. Hold on. See it? See it right there? That might be the biggest I've caught out here.
Oh! Off the jig too. The drag was set too loose.
Oh, I might go 6. Maybe.
Weigh her up, boy. Put her in there.
You might want to get up here and run the troller.
Trolling motor.
Get up here. Holy cow.
You don't want to keep ones like that.
Oh wow, not even close.
3?
4.2.
No way.
What's this? You got a nice belly on her though.
There ain't no way, bro.
Try it again.
How big was this 6-pounder you caught in fucking Mill Creek?
Look like that.
Yeah, see, there ain't no way.
The scale's not that far off. I mean, when I weighed that, it said it was about 6. Nice one. Picture of it. Anyway. Alright, girl. Let you go. There you go. When you're getting fish over 15 inches, you got, say, 5 3-pounders.
No. Is that another one? Oh, dude, hey.
It would have been awesome to go back to back 4-pounders.
That'd have been fun. Hey, you might as well just try and weigh that. Mine was barely bigger than that. A pound even. Watermelon rough weight. What's this? What's in this? Woo! Got him. Big one. Another one. Decent one. Net. Yeah, we were trying to get the net all the time now. June bug. Dude, Alabama crawl.
Probably 2-pounders.
On 6-pound line, this ought to be interesting. One nine.
Have like also to actually charge. I mean, keep that GoPro in.
I had grass. That's what I'm talking about. He choke you too?
He was trying to keep choking it.
His little pal.
You think? Probably.
Oh, I got the hook in that one though.
Good one. Yep, that's another good one. Oh.
So the fuck, you want that net? You gonna boat flip it? Oh, you gonna Jake Wheeler it? Where'd the other one go?
4-2. This will go 3. I guess 3-5.
He's another 4-pounder.
I'm gonna say he's gonna go 3. About 3-5 is what I'm guessing. 5 ounces off. 310.
Well, look at all this fry, Sebastian. Sebastian.
Yeah, they're around here then. That put me at 16 even.
Really? Yep.
310.
Yeah, look at all that fry right there next to you.
Oh yeah.
You know what?
310. Oh my God.
What, he come and hit it?
I'm on my phone, dude. I started reeling and the fish just came up. I didn't even feel it, I just seen it come up.
Really?
Look at this belly on this little guy.
Oh my God, buddy.
Eat. This dude is tiny too. Look at that. Look at that belly, dude.
Dude, creeping right there. What the fuck, bro?
Well, I felt it thump, then I did it, and then it hit again, so.
They're choking it too, dude. Cow? Another 1-pounder.
Yeah, he probably would. That is a tank.
Bro, I just. Oh my God, dude. I'm over here ripping lips.
That's a giant.
I literally ripped his.
Oh, just see him get it. Did you pick it up?
Fuck, was he on a bed? Have you seen him?
It's up on the bank.
That's another fucking stud, boy.
That's another nice one. I'll wait here.
It's like the best day you've had out here or something.
I mean, I'm laying into him pretty
I was
good.
about to say, bro, like. Ain't no.
Hey, came back, boys, ready to catch fish.
Micro. Hey, talking about a belly. Hang on.
Dang.
Hey. Buddy been up there eating. What are you thinking? Oh, that's a bass. Oh yeah, it's a 1-pounder. Let that drag a little bit. Go ahead, fight. Go ahead, cause you 1 pound. You're gonna help Daddy.
It ain't 1 pound though.
Bro, that you're not. That is a 1 pound bass, bro.
Coming up short.
What?
Guaranteed.
Nah, what a fucking scale, boy.
Guaranteed.
Ain't no fucking way.
Guaranteed. 15.
No, he's gonna be 1-2.
He's actually gonna be probably about 13.
1, 2.
Yeah. What was he?
14. Some bluegill in here, dude. There we go.
Good one. That is a good one.
Good jerkbait fish.
That's a good one. That'll give you a couple pounds probably.
God damn. What the fuck? Okay, we're in it. We're in it. Let's say we're in them right now. Hell yeah. 111. Took me a 412. Good fish. I thought I got one of the boulders. You want me to be completely honest with you?
One eight.
One. Okay.
Puts me at
What's it put you at?
20.3
Nuh-uh.
with 10 fish.
Came right out of that grass. Pound even puts me at 512. Got him. Good. Good. 2-pounder? No, probably £1.10. Do you always turn it off?
Yes.
Oh.
I gotta save the battery.
What battery does it take?
Rechargeable and just regular sometimes.
Oh.
Whew.
What's he?
2111.
Huh?
2111.
What is he?
1.8. Like I said, like in that left format
Oh.
fishing wouldn't be horrible.
Any following him?
Nope.
Damn.
There's another little one up there though.
Get him. Biggin?
There's another one with it. Same size. See it?
Yeah, but if he comes back up, we're fucked. You about got fucked up on the foot there, didn't you? That motherfucker came straight out of that grass.
Catch him on.
The little bitty one? Little bitty crawl? He came speeding out of that grass. already in trouble. Oh my God, there it is. Ended it with a tank. Oh, you're gonna really in real slow. Soak it all up. Damn, see, they're fat, dude. Like that one-handed fucking hooks. Oh, he taking a little bit of drag. Oh. Man, that's the biggest one for me all day, son. This boy was ripping the drag ski. Yeah, man. Do I want? Yeah, I'm gonna have to weigh him. I can't get fucked that bad. Come on now. I contemplated it though. One even, pushing it 715. Hey, giant, so that's all I catch. He said he stopped.
Oh, right there, get one.
Where?
Right here.
Oh yeah, that's put me back. That's put me up there. Yep. Don't even weigh yours. You might as well just put him back in there real
Oh,
quick.
you want me to put him back in there?
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, you know.
Okay.
You try to cheat.
You
me.
don't think he'll go a pound? I think he's a pound.
I think he's at least 2. But, I'm pretty far from winning.
You wait for that.
Pounder. That's put the 815. I forgot how fucking far back your live will go. You still over here finessing?
Yeah, I mean, you gotta get big ones like that, you know. Can't let them know you're coming. Start doing that.
We're about to go in there double-handed.
Show you how it's done, dude.
This is where all your big ones. This is your live well, by the way, just so you know.
I have some in yours too.
You had what, 3 in mine? Hey, why you gonna pin it down?
That's a giant.
No, man. Is it?
Should have put that 3 and 4 pounder in there. It'd be real fun at the end.
Yeah, that'd have been great. Grab them like you own them. Oh boy.